it's Marquis True here, and welcome to my YouTube. Right now, I'm going to teach you guys how to do the Blueface Thotiana dance, what they call the bust down. You guys know me for other videos like Hit the Quan, taught you guys how to nay-nay. I've taught you guys pretty much every dance possible. And now I'm going to teach you the Blueface Thotiana bust down dance. You guys ready? Let's do it. All right, let's get started. The first thing you have to do is get a grip on your pants. All right, so you can do it with two hands like this, or you can do it with one hand like this. Make sure your thumb is inside your waistline, right here. All right, have your forefingers out, thumb in. All right, that's step number one. Two hands, one hand. Two hands, one hand. All right. Now that I taught you guys the first step of putting your thumb inside of your waistline and your fingers out, here's the second part. Make sure you put your left hand up. All right? Make sure you have your left hand up. You can have your hand open. You can have it closed. You can snap. You can put it right here. Just make sure you have your left hand, your opposite hand, whichever one you use. Make sure you have it out to your style of liking. That's step number two. Now that I show you step one, okay? Step two, okay? Here's step three. Your waist. Your waist has to be in position. You can go side, kind of do your arm gesture, and you can roll. You can side, roll. You can kind of roll like this. Now that I showed you all three steps, I'm going to show you step number four. Step number one, thumb and waistline. Step number two, arm out or arm out. Step number three, side to side movement. Step number four is you got to bend your knees. So you got to do all of those at once. Once you dip, you got to bend your knees. So, all right, you got it? So you got to bend your knees. All right, do it with me. Do it with two hands. Do the side movement. Side to side. Okay? Got it? Cool. Now that I've shown you guys all four steps on how to do the bust down Thotiana bust down dance, I'm going to show you guys how to do it with the music. So step number one, thumb and waistline. Step number two, arm out or arm in. Step number three, waist movement. Step number four, drop. All right, drop, a drop, a drop, a drop, bust down, Thotiana, hey. I want to see you bust down, hey, pick it up, never push it down, hey, speed it up, bust it down, gang. All right, here we go. Marquis True, and thank you for watching my video. You just watched a tutorial on how to do the Blueface Thotiana bust down dance.
So share it with your family, share it with your friends, share it on Twitter, share it on your Instagram, whatever you want to do. And let me see if you could do the bust down dance better than me. But other than that, you can follow me on Instagram at Marquise Trill. You can also follow me on Twitter at 6 billion people, the number 6 billion people. You can also follow me on all my other social media platforms. Hey, and you can even check out some of my other videos that I have to the right of me. But let's see if you can do the bust down Thotiana dance better than me. I'm Marquise Trill and I'm out. Hey, don't go nowhere. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube as well. Hey, I forgot about that.